Argon gas welding generally refers to welding processes that use argon as a shielding gas to protect the weld area from atmospheric gases like oxygen, nitrogen, and water vapor. Argon is inert, meaning it doesn't react with the weld pool, which is essential for creating clean, strong welds. There are two main types of welding that heavily use argon gas. TIG welding, tungsten inert gas welding, also called GTAW, gas tungsten arc welding. A tungsten electrode creates the arc, while argon shields the weld. Produces very precise, high-quality welds. Commonly used for stainless steel, aluminum, magnesium, and thin metals. MIG welding, metal inert gas welding sometimes. Also called GMAW, gas metal arc welding. Uses a continuous wire electrode and a shielding gas. Argon can be used pure or mixed, e.g., argon plus CO2, depending on the material. Pure argon is typically used for non-ferrous metals like aluminum. Why argon? Provides excellent arc stability. Produces less spatter compared to other gases. Offers superior weld bead appearance. Helps in deeper penetration during welding. Key tips when using argon gas for welding. Use the correct flow rate, typically 15 to 25 cubic feet per hour, to ensure proper shielding without turbulence. For TIG welding, maintain a clean tungsten electrode and correct tip shape. When MIG welding aluminum, use 100% argon for best results. Always ensure there are no leaks in the gas hose or fittings. If you're seeing this video for the first time, kindly subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon so you get to be notified whenever a new video drops. For more information on argon gas welding, reach us at gz-supplies.com or email us at sales@gz-supplies.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.